We just witnessed the perfect failed breakdown setup at the 60.42 level, or is this the market setting up for a deeper pullback? Hey traders, welcome back. Today's FOMC volatility gave us massive opportunities and we nailed a 30 plus point move live in Discord. Let's break it all down. I'll walk you through the key levels, right? Power Hour Battleground at the 60.70 level and what's next heading into these big earnings that we had. Let's go ahead and start off with, yesterday I highlighted that the 60.35 and the 60.20 level would be important on any deep pullbacks, right? In the overnight session, we decided to rip right out the gate. Pushed a little, to 61.11, which I had initial target at 61.13. Kind of got short of that. Well, we reached 61.12. It was like $1 short, so I ended up taking profits at the 10 area. It held support at the 85 initially, right when we opened up, held that nicely, took that up. And then initially after that, early morning or so, we just pretty much, the shorts took control after the bulls attempted to hold the 6100 level, which they just pretty much failed at. So the shorts ultimately took over and basically controlled it mainly all day to about an hour before the FOMC data release. We saw a deep flush right here coming down to this 60.45, almost to that 60.42 level. And we made it an initial low. And prior leading into FOMC, we kept trying to tap it, break it. Then right before the hour, it came down there to the 60.42 level, broke the initial low. And on the live voice chat in my Discord, I was warning the team that we could potentially see a FBD if this level holds and it does not reject any way further down for the shorts. And that's what ended up taking place. 60.42 held. We waited for a little bit more confirmation. There was people taking the trade at 60.45, 60.50, which personally I got in at the 50 and pretty much rode it up to the 82, 83 area, which was a solid 30 point move right there. Newer people in the Discord got the bank out, so it was good to see, good to hear from some of the members. And then when we rode into Power Hour, as Powell was still speaking, we had this like battleground going on between like the 60-70 level, which became a battleground level, and it gave like maybe 6 to 7 opportunities. Mainly I was scalping in that zone, wild holding a few runners, but I was taking like anywhere from 4 to 6 to 7 point moves. So that was pretty good. It was out of all FOMCs, I felt like this was one that was very tradable, easier to trade as long as you had patience. Pretty much waited all day for this move to happen, caught a nice FBD. So now leading into what these big earnings of Microsoft, Meta, IBM, Tesla. Now I just need, the 60.42, that 60.35, 60.20 levels, they still apply. We got a little cluster down here where the bulls were holding, so we want to definitely see that hold on any deep pullbacks, and then the old magnet level of that 20 if we decide to really pull back. Anything above that 65, I typed my newsletter maybe like 45 minutes ago, and we were just under all of this, and I mentioned in there also, like, as long as that 65 and 70 area level reclaims, we could see a nice pushback towards the 60.85, which I'm leading towards more as that. As long as we hold that 70, 75, 65 area, I'm comfortable being long above that. Now just, we don't sell right until that 60.42 level fails. May come down, give some rejections. You just got to watch it, stay cautious, see how these earnings all the way play out throughout the night when we finally open back up here in about another hour or so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll drop my Discord link back in the description if anybody's interested in joining us live. Like I said, we're I'm there starting about 4:30 a.m. California time. And we got a good group of people. We've been there for about 5 years now, right? Very good group of people of all different backgrounds, and it's a paid subscription, right? It's like $7.99, so it's not too bad. And I went that route just off of the fact that I've been teaching for years as I've been trading, helping people. So many people will reach out to me, see if they can get in the Discord, so on and so on. And just people just weren't committed. So just to make sure that people show up, are willing to learn, willing to grow, and learn this level to level aspect, because it really does change the mind. People may be out here trading a certain way, and I'm not trying to veer them off from trading, but just break down the actual level mindset of how to take the profits, scaling out 75% at the level. Doesn't have to be at that 10-point move, right? Always $1 or 75 cents under that, because usually everybody's attacking that level to scale out. So just giving little knowledges and things like that. So Discord is very helpful. So if your thing is, want to trade with people that are on live or showing a chart on live and things like that, well, stop by, the Global Money Traders. We're here for anybody that wants to come in and learn. And let's just see what we get when we open back up here. Hopefully everybody had a good day for FOMC, and let's keep it going. Let's bank out tomorrow and see where we go when we open back up. You guys have a good one.